Hey everyone, welcome to another Caketastic Cakes video. I'm going to be showing you guys today how to make Olaf. And don't forget, if you like, please like, and if you want to find me again, please subscribe. Alright, I started out already with a lollipop stick and a oval shaped, like egg shaped ball of white. I'm just taking another small ball. His middle piece is pretty small, make sure it's small, plopping it right on top. At the bottom, I'm gonna make two little flattened circles, add them on for the feet. Everything I'm connecting, I'm using just a little bit of water on a paintbrush, so it's not hard. This is gonna be the head. This is really where the main details come in. I make it into a circle. At the top and the bottom of it, you can see me doing it here, I'm gonna press it out. Now it's gonna become not much of a circle anymore, but that's good. And using the piece, I'm going to press it out and down to create a hollow where his mouth is going to be. And using the other side, I turned it over and made two hollows for his eyes and a hollow for his nose. His eyeballs are those two balls right there that you're going to see, and poof, they filled in. There you go. And I used black to fill in his mouth. When you make the mouth at first, it doesn't matter if it's rough or smooth, just make sure it's deep enough, but not too deep because you got to stick that lollipop stick on. When you add the black, make sure you smooth it out. It has to be smoother, it won't look good. Couple black circles for the pupils. You're going to outline the top of each eye. You can see I've got very thin little pieces of black gum paste. Go over the top of each eye and just enough to cover it up and put it in there. Okay, you can see what I did there. And now I'm going to be adding his eyebrows. You take a little log of black, taper off each end, cut it right in the center, and that gives the perfect shaped eyebrow that you need, and you just arch it. That's going to be his tooth, his trademark big old buck tooth that he's got. A little bit of water, plop it on in there. The orange there, zap. I just turned it into his nose. And just make sure when you make the nose, you turn the tip up. Now add the head on. You're going to add it on if you want it straight, put it straight. If you want it at an angle, make it at an angle, whatever. This is going to be where the two little twigs that go on top are going to go. I just pressed two little holes into his head and take two little pieces and cut some angles out and press them in. These little sticks here are not lollipop sticks. They are actually Q-tip sticks. I just cut the Q-tip end off of each one. Roll it in some brown, cut the end off and make three little fingers out of it. Add some water, press it in, and boom, there you go. He's very excited even though he's sitting. And the last detail I'm going to add are his buttons. And he is easy and he is done. He comes out really cute. Just make sure you taper that head properly. The head is where all the details lay. So once again, if you like, please like. If you want to find me again, please subscribe. Check out my other videos. I've got a whole frozen thing going right now. It was a big order I filled. Thank you very much, and I hope to show you another video very soon. Thanks. Bye.